What's up, guys? It's Umrit with Guru Trading Academy, and today in this video, what I'm going to be going over is a trade setup that we actually took on XAU USD, also known as gold. We caught a little bit over 400 pips on this trade setup sent out in the public group. So what I'm going to do in this video is actually go over that trade setup in depth and show you guys why we got into it. So let's get right into it. So first things first, what I'm going to go ahead and do is show you guys my Telegram chat that's open to the public. Okay, this is different from my private members group, but I do end up giving value out in this chat every single week. So go ahead and go down to the link in the description, join this chat if you want to actually end up making some money in this market with me, and just go ahead and follow all my trades there. So on this trade setup that I actually sent out, this is on gold. Okay, so what I stated here, you can see it says gold is at multi-month highs. I'm looking for a strong retracement towards 1290 in the coming days / weeks. I'll be taking this setup upon a break and retest of the trend line. So right here, you guys can see we had this nice formation right here called a 3-pin pattern. We had a multi-month high at 1346, and from here, I was expecting it to crash towards 1290 an ounce. Okay, so if I actually share my live chart with you guys, we can see where price action is at currently. So with this trade setup, guys, what I'm first going to do is show you guys the monthly time frame, because I did state that this price was at multi-month highs. So if I go to the 3-month time frame, this is what I want you guys to notice, is that we have around this 1360 area, around 1350 as well. We have multiple wick rejections. One wick rejection here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then finally our 10th wick rejection right here. Okay, so with this, I had a very good risk to reward on this trade setup, stating that if price would just come back up into this area, we could see a nice swift rejection towards the downside. Okay, so I'm going to put my tools back on, and I'm going to go to the daily time frame and show you guys some other confirmations. So not only do we know that 1346 right here is a very key level, but the confirmation we get off this rejection is a 3-pin pattern. Okay, so for right here, for those of you who don't know what a 3-pin pattern formation is, it's right here what you see. It's this bullish candle, this doji in the middle, and this bearish candle right here. Notice how this bearish candle completely engulfs the rest of the data to the left. Okay, another thing to note is that this bearish candle came down, and then we see nice wick rejection to the high of 1330 an ounce. Okay, so not only did we close below 1330 an ounce, but we also came up to retest it as a resistance once, twice, 3 times, and then finally a 4th time before we made that move towards 1290. Okay, so the last little confirmation I'm going to give you guys is this trend line. Now, I get a lot of people DMing me and asking me on Instagram and different platforms and stuff like that on how do you know if a trend line is going to break or it's going to hold. So right here, we can pretty much see that with this trend line, we had a nice steep uptrend right here. With it making higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows. I actually knew it was going to break this trend line immediately after the formation of this 3-pin pattern. Okay, not only just the formation of the 3-pin pattern, but also price being at a multi-month high and a key level. So with you guys understanding that, taking that into account and using those things as a confirmation, you guys can kind of tell that, okay, the trend line was going to break here. We were going to head much lower. Okay, so overall, guys, this was about a 400 pip move, I believe. Yeah, so about a 400 pip move, give or take, to 1290 an ounce. And I did send this out to my public group, as you guys could see on the video. So I definitely want to just break that down with you guys so you guys can get some value out of it. And I appreciate you guys actually hopping on this and taking the time out of your day to watch it. Go ahead and drop a like and a subscribe for me if you guys did find some value. And I'll be coming with a lot more videos soon. So tune in, all right? Peace.